DIY Hydrafacial. Step 1 Cleanser. Raw milk, yogurt 2 tablespoons. Glycerin 1 teaspoon. Step 2 Exfoliation. Gram flour 1 tablespoon. Filtered water 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can use Masoor Daal Powder instead of gram flour. Step 3 Massage Cream. Beetroot powder 1 tablespoon. Aloevera gel 1 tablespoon. Rose water 1 tablespoon. Glycerin 1 teaspoon. Water is required. Step 4 Face Mask. Multani Mitti 1 tablespoon. Glycerin 1 tablespoon. You can use rice flour instead of Multani Mitti. Step 1. Face Cleansing. Add 2 tablespoon yogurt. 1 teaspoon glycerin. Mix yogurt and glycerin well. Clean the face thoroughly for 4 to 5 minutes by applying it on the face with the help of cotton or hands. This face cleanser will clean all kinds of dirt and makeup from your face. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon gram flour. Filtered water 2-3 tablespoon. Mix Besan and water well. Massage circular motion on the face for 4 to 5 minutes and wash the face with plain water. Benefits of gram flour. Helps treat acne. Zinc, which is found in Besan, can help to reduce acne-causing infections. Removes tan. Besan is an excellent way to remove tan when applied to the skin. Removes oiliness. Removes facial hair. Removes dirt. Gives a glow. Offers blemish-free skin. 1 tablespoon of beetroot. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon of rose water. 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Water is required. 1 tablespoon of curd. Mix all the ingredients well. Massage well in circular motion for 4 to 5 minutes. Beetroot benefits for skin. Fights acne. It can help in reducing acne scars, wrinkles and dark spots. Makes the skin glow. Brightens lips. Keeps skin nourished and hydrated. Prevents hair loss. Treats dandruff. Relieves itchy scalp. Promotes hair growth. After 4 to 5 minutes of massage, wash the face with plain water. 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti or rice flour. 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Now mix well. Leave it on the face for 5 to 6 minutes and wash it off with plain water. Benefits of Multani Mitti for face. Gentle cleansing. Multani Mitti can help remove all dirt, grime, and other impurities that could be present on your face. Exfoliates. Brightens skin. Fights sunburns. Prevents clogged pores. Leads to glowing skin. Fights acne. Multani Mitti on face as a face pack. Finally, apply moisturizer and check your skin's glow.
Thank you for watching. For more videos keep watching Beauty Tips by Amna. Bye bye.